love you till I die. She told him you'll forget in time, as the years went slowly by. She still preyed upon his mind. She kept a picture on his wall. Hi, I'm Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that we need one of the best country western songs ever written in our ukulele vocabulary. Thanks to Terry for suggesting this song, which was a favorite with her father. All right, you only need these really simple basic chords, and I will go over the F to G transition. I've got a little hack to do that. And we'll go over how many times to play that chord with a bum diddy strum. If you are a more advanced player, I've got some one-finger chord transformations. Just add a little extra spice to this song. So grab your ukulele, let's do this together. The bum diddy is one of the most versatile strumming patterns to put with country western songs. So let's take a look at that strum up close. The bum diddy is a down, down, up, down, down, up strum. But there are some subtleties here. The first down is just the top two strings, and we keep it nice and light. Just kind of bounce on those strings. Bounce, down, up, bounce, down, up, bounce, down, up, bounce, down, up. And remember, I've got a low G here, so I love low G. The diddy is not equal. If it was equal, it would sound like this. Bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. To make it a true bum diddy, you make that di louder and slightly longer. Bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Think of it as being 2/3 and the itty is only 1/3. It's a swung rhythm. 2 bum ditties equals 4 beats, so each chord in the chord chart is going to get 2 bum ditties to equal 4 beats. In this song, you have to go from an F to a G, which is a lot of fingers that have to move, particularly if you're new to the ukulele. So I've got a little hack for you. I use it all the time. On the last up of the bum ditty, substitute the F for an A minor 7, which is all open strings. That gives you a half a beat to get your fingers ready. F like this, you're hovering this finger over here so it's ready to go, and you're going to do, I'll put everything together, you're going to go bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Show it one more time. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum. This is very exaggerated. Let's practice that a few times. Let's do it. We're ready? Begin. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Do it again. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Do it again. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. One more time. Bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. I'll put a timestamp somewhere over here so that you can get back and practice that if you need to. All the verses are the same. There's no chorus and the structure remains the same. So let's practice that together. Each verse starts with a single down strum on the C, and it goes for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to have that internal beat going. Then each chord gets a bum diddy on it. So 2 bum ditties equals 4 beats. Let's do it together. 1, 2, here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, C again, diddy, and F, diddy, diddy, F again, and G, diddy, G again, and C, 2, and down, da, ba, da, 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 and you just go Let me help you with a little singing tip because everything's the same. It's just all verses, no chorus. They all start with an open E string. He said, I love you, or what's that? He kept a picture on the wall. He starts with the open E string. When we get to the very famous verse, he stopped loving her today, the vocal pitch changes when you're listening to George Strait do his wonderful version. Instead of being an E, it's going to move up to a G. And he doesn't play it in this key, so you can't match his voice. He stopped loving her today. So you might just want to practice the difference. He said, I love you till I die. He stopped loving her today. So that'll just give it a little bit more drama. Let me show you some one-finger chord transformations that can elevate your playing on this song. With your C chord, you can add first fret on the E string. It's technically called a C sus4. With the pattern, you're going to do a bum, diddy, add the finger, and bum, diddy, each time you play a C chord. Let's just practice that together. 1, 2, here we go. C, add the finger, and C again. On the G chord, you're going to subtract a finger, and it becomes a G sus2. You do the same alteration. G, down, up, G, down, up, G, down, up, G, down, up. The F chord is a bit trickier, so if it's too challenging, just do the C and G, no harm. We're going to take our F and do an S sus4, so I'm going to tip this finger over to catch both the E and A strings. Same pattern where I'm going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let's practice this with the alterations really slowly. And again, just maybe practice one at a time. See if you can do the C, then add the G, and maybe the F or not. 1, 2, nice and slow. C, 2, 3, 4. C, down, up, add a finger, down, up, C, down, up, down, down, F, lean the finger over, down, down, up, G, down, up, pick up the finger, back down, G, bum, 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 and C, add a finger, and down. Let me know how that's going for you. I love one-finger chord transformations. They make music really fun. I'd like to encourage you to get the chord chart with this because I have all the things we've talked about here, the A minor 7 hat, the one-finger chord transformations, the bum diddy strum is included in a diagram, as well as the chord diagrams. My chord charts are available to all my patrons starting at $3 a month for over 250 chord charts. Plus you get 2 live Zoom sessions with me, and there's a 7-day free trial. You've got nothing to lose. So come on and join us. We're a growing community. Your starting vocal pitch. He said, 1, 2, here we go. He said, I love you till I die. She told him you'll forget in time. As the years went slowly by, she still preyed upon his mind. Kept her picture on his wall. Went out crazy now and then. He still loved her through it all, hoping she'd come back again. Kept some letters by his pen. And in 1962, he had underlined in red every single I love you. I went to see him just today. Oh, but I didn't see no tears. All dressed up to go away. First time I'd seen him smile in years. He stopped loving her today. They placed a wreath upon his door, and soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. You know, she came to see him one last time. Oh, we all wondered if she would. And it kept running through my mind. This time he's over for good. He stopped loving her today. They placed a wreath upon his door, and soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. Oh my gosh. That just rips your heart in two, doesn't it? Thank you, Terry, for that awesome song suggestion. I really appreciate all my patrons, and I really appreciate everybody that is watching all the way to the end. Thank you so very much. YouTube should be suggesting somewhere around here, as well as a link to my Patreon. I hope you come join us there. We really have a lot of fun as a community, plus you get those great rewards at just $3 a month. And if you do $6 a month, there's a group lesson and $9 a month, and you get 2 group lessons a month. So come on, join us, have some fun.